We got the hose hooked up. We got fire in the hole. We're almost ready to go. Fire, isn't that cool looking? That looks pretty cool. But we don't want flame, we want coals, not flame. So now we're getting her started. Alright. Got some flat stock. We've got this nail I just put in here. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Why don't we just break this?
We'll break it.
So we got a blazing fire. What we need is coals. Making coals. Plasma cutter. There's the air hose. All right, with the gauges. This is also a welder. What is this interesting configuration here? Well, maybe this, we're going to weld this onto here. Otherwise, we would have just drilled a hole with the drill, the diameter of the threads here. All right. And we would have just screwed it, tapped holes, and screwed it right into the hole here that you drill out with the drill. Okay. Everything we're doing here, you can use a sawzall, jigsaw with the metal cutting blade, drills, but the plasma cutter simplifies this and makes it much easier. All right. So you can do this with a 90-degree angle, angle grinder. Those are all the hand tools that can be used, but this plasma cutter is taking the place of all of that. Okay, now we're getting ready to weld. And this is a TIG? A MIG welder. It's a wire feed.
That's what it is.
Some people know them as a wire feed, but the wire feed is a MIG welder.
Just flux core.
Flux core. Okay. We're doing this all on a generator. And Joe gets the honors.
Yep, I get the honors.
Now you can find Joe MacGyver on YouTube. He does have a channel. He just hasn't worked it for a while. Off-grid. Solar panels. Maybe I'll show you his new setup. Much better. More efficient. Tacking this in place. Okay, it's raised up right there. It's raised up. Very good. right, the plastic melted on this airplane bolt on the inside. All right. Right now,
We're gonna put the.
there we go. Now that's the air pipe going into the forge. How to do it, how to make a forge. All right, we're putting in this ball valve so we can control the amount of air flowing into the pipe for the forge. This is the air inlet forge. This will feed the fire. Okay, this is what makes your forge work. It's what makes the forge a forge, or else you just have a barbecuer. Okay, the air going into the coals is what makes the forge a forge. It gets the heat hot enough for it to get your metal hot and or even melt your metal. Although to get it even hotter is when you introduce your propane into it.
The double hash mark, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're gonna get that going pretty much. Yes. And then we'll figure it out pretty much.
Yes, a puppy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes.
36.
All right, now we will be able to control the flow of air going through the pipe. All right, and that's the purpose of this ball valve, off and on. All right, making progress.
Yep. There's things about that machine I don't even know.
Getting too hot, got a hot spot. That's what I want. Here we go, right in place. what you call farm welding. Not here, but right here. Firm welding. We call it firm welding. Right here. Now this is a beginner farm welder. Right here. Who did that one? I'm not telling. Boy, I think somebody's got some bad eyesight. Where's the joint? They didn't know where it was. They got lost. They really got lost over here. Look, they're welding along downside this thing. You think they was blind or something? Who did that one? I ain't telling. Making a forge. She's gonna be working fine when we get done. May end up enclosing the top. All right, let me zoom out. I may just take what's cut off here, cut it, straighten it out, and then lay it across the top and then weld it to enclose it. We may end up going that route. But for now, this is how it's going to be. But we're not done. We're having fun. Okay, we're going to fire this up. And so, don't go nowhere. You're going to get to see this in action. Then I'll be making another one for a blow dryer. All right. My next video on this will be a forge using a blow dryer to produce the air you need. And it really works. So we're going to be firing this up in just a minute.